Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you saw my last video, you know that this is how it ended. Well, I actually didn't think far, so I didn't make an intro. Anyways, today I'll be packing to move into college and also doing a little closet clean out. So please subscribe, like, comment, and let's go on to the video. I'm gonna be starting with this box right here. Not sponsored by Home Depot though. I forgot to show you how the lights look earlier. So this is what they look like. They actually look more sturdy than the ones that I got from Shein. Okay, so basically now I'm gonna be taking clothes off of my closet that I'm not gonna be using at all in these 2 weeks that I have left. So I'm just gonna be leaving just a few things to get by if anything happens and I have to go out for some reason. I feel like I'm doing a closet clean out video, but I mean, I'm not taking out any of the stuff that I already have because I basically like everything. The things that I already don't like, I already am going to donate them to Goodwill. And I have like a whole bag for that, for the clothes that I already want to donate, or for just like random little things that you can still give to other people. Now, I might use these pants for church, so I think I'm gonna keep these ones for now. And I'm also gonna be keeping this one because I might use both of them for the 2 weeks of church. Summer I decided to like sew. Also, my sister helped me. My little sister is a professional sewing. Okay, I clearly don't know English, so I'm sorry. Okay, so this one is a pant that I bought in Forever 21, but the problem with it, it's really big on my waist. When I bought it, it was okay, it wasn't that big, but now it's way bigger. It's the only thing that I would say about this pant is that it doesn't have, you know, the belt holder thing in here that's supposed to go here. This thing, it's missing this one on it, on this side, but I'll probably sew it and I'll be selling it. Yeah, I'll be selling these high-waisted jeans on Depop. This is a US size 30 in Forever 21. So if you're a size 30 in Forever 21, I got you, girl. This is also from Ross. Bro, there was a time in high school where I only bought clothes from Ross and I had such a poor style. It makes me sad. I mean, I'm not saying I'm an expert in like styling my own self in fashion or whatever, but I was way worse than I am today. So I'm glad that that phase is gone. My high school phase is gone, and I'm in a newer phase when I actually know more or know better. So for now I have 2 shirts, 2 pants for church. So for this next shirt, should I keep it? Yeah, for now I'll keep it. And I think I'm still gonna keep this in the closet because I use this shirt a lot. This Tokyo shirt that you've seen in my photo shoot video, my at-home photo shoot video. I'm gonna leave it up here. I think I might keep it here too. Okay, I have 5 shirts, which means that I'm not gonna keep any of the other shirts that you'll see. Now we're going to long sleeves. I'm thinking about packing this because obviously, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep any of the long sleeves because I don't need it. It's summer right now. You'll probably notice that my taste in clothes is really diverse. Like, I don't really have a set style in clothes. I just buy whatever I like. Oh, I never said my major. I'm changing my major to education. I was doing general studies because, you know, I'm a lost girl. I don't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. Still don't know what to do, but I'm just gonna be a teacher because that's what I've been doing my whole life, teaching other kids. Not like for real, I don't like not actually teaching, but in high school I took, what is it called? I took a class where you take 4 years of childhood education. There we go, childhood education, and you basically, it's a preschool. You have a preschool that you go to for like 2 or 3, I don't even remember how many days we were in the preschool. But out of the 5 days of the week that you went to school, there were 3 days or 2 days. It's either or. And we were in there working with little preschoolers, which was the cutest little thing. I just enjoyed, every time I went to that class, I was like enjoying the class. So I was thinking, oh, maybe I should be a teacher because I enjoy teaching kids. And then I tutored for like 2 years. And I really enjoyed that, but then I still don't know if I really want to be a teacher, if that makes sense. So I'm still kind of lost, but you know what, I'm just gonna pick something, and if in the future I just don't like what I'm doing, then might as well just go back to school, even though I really do not want to do that. But if it happens and I actually find something I really want to do, I'll go make sure I get there, you know. I don't know if I'll ever figure out what I want to actually do. I don't know, let's see, hopefully one day. And if I realize that teaching was probably what I wanted to do, then great. This is my dad's jacket that I stole from him. Actually, I asked. No, I didn't steal it from him. Kind of, but not really. Because I asked him. So I have another jacket. I have way too many jackets. Or like hoodies, whatever you want to call them. This is also from my dad. This skirt, I'm still debating if I should get rid of it, like probably sell it, or if I should keep it. I don't know. You guys can probably tell me if you want this. If you want this, I'll put it on Depop for you. If not, I'll just keep it and try to wear it because I need to wear stuff. I need to wear stuff out of my comfort zone more often. Anyways, it gives you this like vintagey look. It's really cute though. It has a belt, so I really like this, but at the same time, I never wear it. Why? Because I have too many clothes and I never see it on my closet. So this skirt, I've been wanting to either give it away or know how to wear it or sell it because I really haven't worn this for a long time just because I don't like it as much and I also don't know how to wear it. So if you guys have any clue on how to wear this skirt, let me know because I want to try and wear it, and if not, I'll just like sell it. And this is my last item in my closet, thank goodness. I still have to pack. Okay, so this is how my closet, this is what my closet looks like right now. This is all I have. This is all I'm staying with for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking out the hangers because I need to pack them too. I have a Tommy Hilfiger purse that I've been keeping in my closet for no reason because I don't even use it, which is really sad. I should probably use it more because I bought it for a reason. But like, I figured out that big bags aren't really my thing after I bought it. So this was in my transition years where I was like thinking, oh my gosh, this is so cute, like I'm gonna be like this wearing it. It's like going to church or going to wherever. But like, I realized I don't really like carrying purses, which is really sad because I wasted a lot of money buying this purse. So I'm thinking I should sell it on Depop. So if anybody wants a Tommy Hilfiger purse, it's basically new. So this is a bed pillow that I got some time ago. It doesn't really go with the theme of my room anymore. I thought it did, but it doesn't really go. Like back then I thought it went with my room, but it doesn't. Because I barely have orange, and if I do have orange, it's like more peachy. It's not this like vibrant orange. So I could sell this to someone. So I also have this purse that my sister gave me. It's a little big, but I don't know, I probably should keep it. If not, I'll just put it on Depop, but I think I'll use it for now. Let's see. Let's just see. If I don't use it from here to like the end of the semester, I'm just gonna sell this. Anyways, this is my most used purse. I haven't used it in a long time because obviously I haven't been going out. I think I'm still gonna use it because it's not that big. It's not as big as the other ones. So I'm definitely keeping this still. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this in here. Okay, so my family is asleep right now and I shouldn't be making this voiceover, but anyways, I think this video doesn't want to end, so I'm just gonna say come back for next week, and I'm definitely gonna make sure I finish this whole video. It'll probably be up on Monday or Thursday, deciding on like how my schedule goes. since I will be moving next week on Monday. So let's see how everything goes, and hopefully I finish this video soon. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, and I will see ya. Bye!
I know that you're coming back home.